Hello-y. So I just recently purchased this car. It's a 2004 Ford Falcon Futura, and I'm just not 100% sure. I've been up all night over this fucking engine noise. I've gone on YouTube, a lot of people look silly posting up the same type of ticking or clunking noise, or possibly be the fuel injectors, but I've got a noise that's just doing my fucking head in. I'm not sure what the fuck it is, because yeah, you might say it's the fuel injectors, but when the car's cold it doesn't do it, but as soon as it warms up, it's doing it. So I'm gonna take you outside the car now. Just off the bat, yeah, sounds normal. You can already just hear this engine noise that I'm trying to explain. So the car's, as you walk outside, the car's fucking quiet. You can't even fucking hear it. As soon as you open it, except for that whining noise, you can hear that little clink, 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 clink. And it's just doing my fucking head in. I know there's a bit of a rocket cover gap that's going to get fixed soon. But other than that, the engine doesn't make nothing. Cool, it's fine. But it's just this fucking weird noise. I don't know if you can hear it more over this side, or you can hear it. It's just like clunk, 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 clunk. Got water in my fucking headlight, eh? So I'm not too sure, like, if it's legit a fucking fucked up motor. I just spent fucking $3.5 on a piece of fucking shit. But other than that, it runs fine. It has balls like no tomorrow. I mean, mechanically fine. I'll just put the AC on and I'll show you the difference between the motor, if you can slightly hear it. The ticking noise does not get worse. AC works nice. It doesn't affect the motor at all. It's just that noise, man. It's still my fucking head in. If anyone knows, please just drop me a fucking comment. Sorry for swearing. It's just still my fucking head in. Legit, my fucking head in. Don't know what the fuck it is. Piston, fucking whatever the fuck it is. Just leave me a fuck. I've been on YouTube all night looking at these fucking videos. Similar videos, sound similar, but no, this is different. Thanks for watching, man. Whoever you fuck you are, please help me out. Leave me a comment on. Everything else is fine. The temperature's fine. It revs fine. It drives fine. It's just doing my freaking head in. Thanks, everyone, and just let me know, please. Bye.